For over 100 years, people from all over the world have come to Mayo Clinic to receive outstanding medical care. More than 500,000 people each year will visit Mayo Clinic from 50 states and nearly 150 countries in search of hope and healing. A desk operations specialist, or DOS, plays an important role in providing that care to our patients. A DOS is the face of Mayo Clinic to the patients that arrive here and is responsible for a multitude of tasks in helping our patients. Let's take a look at an overview of some of those tasks and the care with which we perform those tasks. At the reception desk, a desk operations specialist greets patients when they arrive for their appointments. In many cases, this is the first face-to-face contact a patient has had at the clinic, so it is important that the DOS is always welcoming and has a smiling, positive attitude. The DOS will verify the patient's identity and check the patient in for their appointment. They will also update the insurance and demographic information, as well as request the patient complete a variety of questionnaires and authorization forms. The DOS will often receive questions from patients waiting for their appointment, and they need to clearly communicate with the rest of the team to ensure smooth patient flow throughout the appointment. Outstanding communication skills are important in this role. The rooming process starts when an arrival notification is printed. The desk operations specialist will check the room and provider availability and proceed to call the patient from the lobby to start the visit. In many cases, the DOS will measure and record vitals such as height, weight, and blood pressure. The DOS will also verify and enter current information into the medical record like allergies and medications. The DOS must have excellent soft skills and the ability to communicate clearly with the patient about all aspects of the visit, including any delays that may occur. After the patient's visit, a provider escorts the patient to the checkout desk. The DOS again warmly greets the patient with a smile and checks to see if there are appointments that need to be scheduled. The DOS will ask the patient for their appointment preferences and coordinate with other appointments the patient may already have. Quite often, the DOS will need to call other areas to get appointments scheduled, so collaboration skills are a must in this role. Additional skills required in this position are attention to detail, problem solving, and empathic communication. At all times, a DOS is an important member of the care team, and fostering relationships among all roles is required. Your role as a DOS will be more than just working directly with the patient. You will also be called upon to work collaboratively with other team members, such as doctors, nurses, advanced practice providers, patient appointment scheduling specialists, medical administrative assistants, and more. Patient care at Mayo Clinic is a team effort, and your ability to communicate and assist others on the team is crucial. One of the key traits of Mayo Clinic is the hallmark of confidentiality. Maintaining the patient's trust is of vital importance. You will help by being aware of your environment when discussing patient care amongst other staff members, as well as only accessing information needed for the task at hand. As a desk operations specialist, you will be one of Mayo Clinic's gatekeepers to the confidentiality and privacy that our patients expect. Whether a celebrity, high-profile patient, neighbor, or family member, all of our patients' privacy is important to us. These are just some of the qualities an outstanding desk operations specialist contributes to the overall patient experience to provide world-class patient care and service at Mayo Clinic.